Hello guys, in this video we'll discuss how to create first web dynamic project using Servlet. So we required JDK. JDK is installed or not. Write Java hyphen version. Okay, so there Java 21 this edition is installed. Next we required Eclipse IDE. So go to the browser and download Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developer. Next we required Apache Tomcat. So in this video we use Tomcat 11. So go to the binary distribution core and download zip version, Windows zip. Okay, next open this Eclipse IDE, go to the file, new and select dynamic web projects. So before going to new file, in this corner there is two icon. First one is Java and second one is Java EE. So if you are creating web dynamic web project, then must select Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, so must select Java EE. Then go to the file, new dynamic web project. Okay, so firstly here give the name of the project. So I write here my servlet application. Okay, and then from here target runtime. Here select Apache Tomcat and then next, and then finish. Okay, so here our my servlet application new project is dynamic web project is created. Go to the right click on Java resource and create new package. Write here com.java.myservlet or simply servlet. Okay, and then finish. So here we create a new package, right click on this package, right click on package and create a servlet. So there are two ways we create servlet. First one is using Java class and second one is servlet. So here I create servlet, my own servlet using class, Java class. So here I create my servlet. Here a browse for superclass. Our servlet, my servlet extend HTTP servlet class. So right click here, right here HTTP servlet and then finish. So our servlet extend my HTTP servlet. Our servlet, my servlet extend HTTP servlet. So in this class, we have to write methods. So first method is I write public void doGet method, and in parameter we provide HTTP servlet request and response object, HTTP servlet response. Okay, so this doGet method do two parameter. First one is HTTP servlet request and import this, and second one is response object. Okay, then we have to display something on browse. So here firstly I want to create print writer object, print writer reference out is equal to, using response reference we access get writer method and import this print writer. So using this print writer reference we display message on browser. So using out reference out.println display on Windows welcome Java welcome. So we also give the annotation when we search using URL, then this URL is mapping to the servlet class. So for this we give the annotation web servlet and give the annotation here slash my servlet. Import this annotation web servlet, save this servlet class. So when I want to run this servlet, so right click on this and run as run on server, select the server, next. So we work on my servlet applications. So only one this project we have to configure, other is remove and then finish. Okay. So our application is run and here browser is open. Output show on this browser and the URL is localhost 8080, then project name and then URL. Using this URL, when we hit this URL, then corresponding servlet is run and here welcome is display on the browser.